Welcome to Fairy Moth Kate, where every page holds a bit of magic. Hi everyone! In this video I'm sharing a closer look at my handmade botanical journal. You'll be able to see all the little details and also the embroidery process on the cover. I know many of you love watching how things are created step by step, so let's start. First, I carefully pick the yarn, matching the colors and textures to capture the natural tones of the forest. I begin with the background embroidery where the tree appears, and then move on to creating the bird. Usually making a cover like this takes around 10 hours of work, but honestly, the result is so worth it. The junk journal measures 8 by 6 inches and included around 600 pages, all different, all one of the kind. They are hand-dyed, embossed, and decorated with cutouts patterns, pressed leaves, and even envelope for your keepsakes. You'll find both aligned and blank pages inside, perfect for writing, sketching, or any kind of creative experiment, so you definitely won't get bored filling it. It's a wonderful gift for a thoughtful writer, and it comes beautifully packed in a gift box. You can find the link to this magical botanical notebook below the video. By the way, in my shop you can find a core antique bronze bookmark that perfectly matches this journal. Thanks for visiting my little fairy corner. See you in the next chapter. With love, Kate.